Gentlemen, let me ask you something personal. Are you waking up tired even after what should have been a full night's sleep? Do you notice that your erections aren't as strong as they once were? Or maybe your energy feels like it's slowly leaking away, day after day. If any of that sounds familiar, I need you to stay with me because what I'm about to share isn't just another normal part of aging. It's a red flag your body is waving, a warning that something essential is missing. And here's the exciting part. Fixing it doesn't require expensive medications or risky procedures. Sometimes it comes down to one key nutrient taken at the right time of day. Something simple, safe, and remarkably effective. Before we dive in, let me quickly ask you to support this channel. Give this video a like, drop a comment below telling me where you're watching from, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss my latest men's health updates. Now let's get real about what's happening inside your body at night. So many men over 60 tell me, "Doctor, I guess this is just what happens when you get older." And I stop them right there because no, it's not just your age. When you're constantly exhausted, when erections weaken, and when desire fades, that's not simply nature running its course. What's really happening is that your nightly recovery system is breaking down. You see, nighttime isn't just about closing your eyes and drifting off. It's when your body resets. Testosterone production peaks. Blood vessels in your penis regenerate and expand. Your prostate calms down and reduces inflammation. And your mitochondria, your cells' power plants, recharge so you can wake up strong, alert, and ready for the day. If that system fails, the first things to suffer are your vitality, energy, and quality of sleep. The good news is that this isn't irreversible. It often comes down to one overlooked mineral that many men over 60 aren't getting enough of. For those of you who are new here, my name is Dr. Sofia. I'm a board-certified urologist and men's health physician with over 12 years of clinical experience. I've sat across from thousands of men, many in their 60s, 70s, and even 80s, who thought their best days were behind them. Time and time again, I've seen how restoring certain fundamentals, especially sleep and recovery, can reignite confidence, intimacy, and energy in ways they thought were gone forever. Today, I'm going to walk you through the one key nutrient that supports erections, testosterone, and sleep all at once, the biggest mistakes men make when taking it, and how to use it correctly so you wake up rested, energized, and feeling more vital. Let's talk honestly. One of the most commonly overlooked minerals in men's health is magnesium. Why does that matter? Biologically, magnesium acts like a calming switch for your nervous system. Without enough of it, your body stays stuck in alert mode. You may fall asleep, but you never reach deep restorative sleep. Emotionally, that leaves you waking up foggy, irritable, drained, and discouraged. And let's be honest, when you're exhausted, intimacy feels more like a burden than a pleasure. Practically speaking, low magnesium levels can show up as weaker erections, nighttime bathroom trips, restless legs, muscle tension, and waking up feeling like you never slept at all. So if you're getting less restful sleep and fewer morning erections, don't automatically blame age. Magnesium may be part of the picture. Another mistake many men make is choosing the wrong form. They walk into a pharmacy, grab the cheapest bottle labeled magnesium oxide, and think they're all set. Unfortunately, magnesium oxide is poorly absorbed and often causes stomach upset or diarrhea without delivering meaningful benefits. For men looking to support sleep and recovery, magnesium glycinate is often preferred because it helps promote relaxation, reduce muscle tension, and support healthy sleep patterns. Magnesium L-threonate is another option that may support cognitive function and help calm a busy mind before bed. If your goal is better sleep, improved recovery, and feeling more energized during the day, these are often the forms worth considering. Timing also matters. Magnesium is naturally calming. It signals to your body that it's safe to rest. Taking it 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime can fit more naturally into your body's nighttime recovery process. Pair it with a relaxing evening routine. Dim the lights, put your phone away, enjoy some warm water or herbal tea, and give your body the message that the day is winding down. Consistency is important because your body responds to healthy habits repeated over time. One thing many men misunderstand is expecting instant results. Magnesium doesn't work like caffeine or a quick fix solution. Its effects build gradually. Some people notice that they fall asleep more easily within a few days. Others report waking up feeling more refreshed after a week or two. Over time, better sleep can contribute to improved energy, mood, focus, and overall well-being. The key is consistency. Missing nights makes it harder to experience the full benefits. So how can you put this into action? Start by choosing a quality magnesium glycinate or magnesium L-threonate supplement. Follow the dosage recommendations on the label or the guidance of your healthcare provider. Create a consistent bedtime routine with fewer screens, lower lighting, and a regular sleep schedule. Some men also combine magnesium with zinc and vitamin B6 as part of a broader wellness routine. Gentle stretching before bed can also help relax muscles and support a better night's sleep. Now, if you're sitting there thinking, "Doctor, I feel like I've already lost too much ground. Maybe it's too late for me." I want you to hear me clearly. It's not too late. I've seen men in their late 70s who believed their best years were behind them, only to rediscover confidence, connection, and enjoyment in life after improving their sleep and recovery habits. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about giving your body the support it needs to function at its best. Gentlemen, fatigue, poor sleep, and declining energy don't have to be accepted without question. Your body still has an incredible capacity to adapt and recover when given the right support. Sometimes the first step is as simple as paying attention to what happens at night. Support your sleep. Support your recovery. Support your overall well-being. Because when you improve your nights, you often improve your days, your relationships, and your quality of life as well. If this video helped you, please like it so more men can find this message. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love seeing the community we're building around the world. And subscribe to Dr. Sofia Men's Health for more guidance tailored to men like you. You deserve confidence. You deserve energy. You deserve restful sleep and the ability to enjoy life to the fullest. I'm Dr. Sofia, and as always, take care of your health because you are worth it.